How's it going, you guys? This is Bad Boy AK. In this video today, we're going to be doing a special review about a Starlight, shooting Starlight that I've been searching for pretty much months now. It's been months I've been trying to search for it, and I finally found it, and I found it on Amazon. The total cost of it was around $194, somewhere around over like $200, let's just say. I don't remember the exact price of it, but I'll put the link in the description, link in the bio, so you guys go get one for yourself. And I finally found it. This Starlight kit that I found now is not an ordinary Starlight kit where you could just go on eBay or some of the cheap websites. You could just go get one yourself. This one right here is a special brand by Chinley, and Chinley is a good brand for Starlights. I did my research before I was going to buy a Starlight kit. They basically make the outstanding, perfect Starlights, and they offer it in 32 watts, 16 watts, this different type of watts you got. I optioned out and I bought the 16 watts one because I feel like the 32 watts is kind of too much for a two-door car, because you guys know the Mustang's a two-door car, and the Starlight headliner itself is so small that I don't think I would really need that. 16 watts is good, and that's why I picked out. And this one has a 550 Starlights. I think that's enough for that headliner, considering the fact that the headliner is very small for the 2010 to 2014 Mustang, and even for the 2015 to 2022 Mustangs, it's small, the headliner. So I bought myself, it's right behind me, a Chinley Starlight 550 Starlights on it, and it's basically has pretty much everything, and I'll go from there. And without going any further waste time, let's just get down to this video. Like I said before in the previous statement, I've been searching for this for like a year almost, and I finally found it. It does the shooting star effects, and it has the Meteor effects. That's what it's called, ladies and gentlemen. Meteors. And the Meteors is basically the thing that does the shooting star effects, which it's like my favorite thing, and I've been trying to like hunting and been down for so long, and I finally found it. I'm so excited to be doing this. And without going further, let me just show you guys. Chinley fiber optic twinkle 16 watts Starlight engine plus adapter, and brand new LED optic. It has different watts, as you guys could see. Pretty much it tells you the different specs it has, the power: 6 watts, 10 watts, 12 watts, 16 watts, 32 watts. I opted out with the 16 watts, so yeah, pretty bright, and it should give the clarity and effects when installed. But anyway, let's just get down to what you get in the package. And basically what you get in the package is the optical fiber cable that connects to the module. That's right there. You get the instructions of what it is, the connection, on how you wire it. It's pretty self-explanatory, and it tells you pretty much everything on how you do it. And you basically got the remote control that has the lights, and it does light up. It contains the battery, so RF wireless remote control, has all the different settings. If you look closely, it does also have the Meteor on and off switch, which is going to be the cool feature that stands out from the other Starlight kits. And we basically got the engine, the Starlight engine, that we're gonna tuck this away and hide it in a way where you don't see it at all, and it hides away. I think this will, for the Mustang, I think this is gonna be the best for the trunk. Like, hide this in the trunk, so that way that this doesn't come in the way, because I don't see any place to hide this in the interior of the car. The trunk is the best place. You just zip tie it up and tuck it away. This is the motor engine, the fiber optic engine. Tells the specs of it. Then we got most importantly, we got the Starlight headliner, 550 stars, and it's enough for that headliner, considering the fact that that headliner is very small. Same goes for the 2015 to 2022 Mustangs. The headliners for the S550 and the S197 Mustangs are small. So 550 stars is not too bad. You could go more, but I feel like you're just going to be wasting your money at that point. So if you want to be like me, I think 550 is the best for the Mustangs. Same for probably the Camaros if you own the Camaro, or maybe even the Corvettes. Best for those cars. 550 is the best, and this is the stars that we're going to be working on. It's a lot of work, but the end result is definitely going to be the most appealing of it's going to be crazy. And basically we got it's self-explanatory. We got the cigarette lighter. You could wire it to your cigarette lighter, so that way that you don't have to go drain your car battery, or hardwire it to the car, hardwire it to somewhere in the car, the fuse box or something like that. this is the better. I think I might consider doing this option considering the fact that my car keeps on dying. I already have too much of lightning on it. As you guys could tell, I have a bunch of lightning. So I might go with the cigarette lighter, just plug it and pop it out whenever you feel like turning it on. I might do it that way, or maybe I'll try to find a way to hardwire it if possible, but I'm not sure if that's gonna, if the car is gonna be, I might have to probably get a second battery at that point, but yeah. This is the wires that comes with it for the stars. Then we got the screws. We got some screws to go put, I think that goes to the motor, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Then we got the adapters, you know, if you want to test it out. Or if you're, you know, have a home theater at home and you're wanting to do a home theater setup, this is definitely the way to go to. It's the home theater, like, you know, if you have a home theater, just go plug it in and have the shooting stars. You could do it like that. People often think you could do on cars, but that's not really the case. You could also do it for your home too. I heard people make home theaters and have the cool, you know, stars and all that. I'm not too familiar with those home accessories and all that, but we're doing it for the car. And yeah, we basically got some pins. I'm not too sure what this is. Something for the stars, I believe. Then we got what is this? I don't even know what the hell this is. We got something. It's some brick or something like that. I have to go check on that. It's for something. I have to go. I'm not too familiar with this, ladies and gentlemen. I got no idea on that. And yeah, that's pretty much what contains in the package. It's really self-explanatory. Apart from I don't understand what the hell this is, but yeah, that's what you get. And this is the 550 stars, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's gonna take a lot of time to do this. What I'm about to do is gonna be a black suede headliner. I'm gonna be doing the sun visors in red vinyl torchfire. So it gives like the synthetic leather version. It's gonna have the sun visor is gonna be synthetic leather, black suede headliner, and pretty much I was thinking about doing the red headliner, but then after I decided that I feel like it was too much to do. Like it just looked too much because I have too much. Then there will be too much red at that point. But I'll show you guys the interior of the car of what I have going on right now. So basically this is what I have going on in the inside of the car. As you guys could see, I got cloth, like, you know, this, you know, it's like a seat cover blankets I put in the inside of the car. Reason why I did that was to protect the seats when I had to go take off the headliner, because I didn't want to go scratch up the seats. And you know, you just want to be protective. I kind of care about my seats and my interior of the car, since everything, you know, I had a custom upholstery. I didn't want to scratch anything up, so that's why I decided to use some blankets and, you know, all that stuff to protect the seats from getting damaged. Same for the backside. I do that for the backside too, so nothing gets scratched or damaged. You know, better be safe than sorry. But yeah, what I have going on the headliner, as you guys can see, I don't have a headliner anymore. Maybe it's too dark and you maybe can't see that well, but there's no headliner inside the vehicle. I took it off, and we're gonna do a black suede headliner with the sun visors. If you see, I don't have sun visors either. The sun visors are gone as well too, and we're gonna be doing that in red vinyl, like matching pretty much that, as you guys could see. But it's not gonna be diamond stitching. It's just gonna be red. Torchfire red. As if you don't know, this is Torchfire red, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Torchfire red for the sun visors, just to give a little bit of a red and black contrast, which I'm going to be doing. And if you guys just see, we got the steering wheel installed too. The steering wheel is finally installed. I got it installed. It's the only bad thing about it right now, this is for the next video, is the LED lights are not working. I have to go see why it's not working. There's nothing wrong with the steering wheel itself. It's fantastic. But the LED shift lights don't work, so I have to go see how you wire that in. Maybe I have to go to the fuse box, or maybe I'm going to check on YouTube to see how you do that. But we have it installed. It matches with the seats, as you guys could see. But anyway, the headliner is going to be in black suede with red sun visors, which I'll be doing. And I think that will complement the interior of the seats, of, as you guys can see right there. And also, the seats in the back, I have custom upholstery as well too. And many of the videos you guys saw, these are custom seats, custom upholstery. And yeah, one more thing is the black suede headliner, and I'm going to be working on the Starlight project. It's going to take a long time, but the end result is definitely going to be the best, because it's gonna, who wants to see, I mean, we're going to have Meteor Starlights inside the interior, so that's just going to be a game changer mod. Well, I consider that as a mod. I don't know about you guys, but It really is a cool thing to have. You could turn it off and on whenever you want to. And I just can't wait on doing this project because it's going to be very fun to do. And yeah, that's the inside update of what's going on. We got the steering wheel installed. The seats obviously been installed. The Brom Racing seats, I reviewed them in my previous videos. The seats in the back are custom upholstery. The only thing I left now is the black suede headliner with the sun visors on top. And we're going to be doing Torchfire red vinyl, synthetic leather, I believe. That's the material. And this was also custom upholstery. The door panels in the diamond Torchfire red stitching. And it complements the whole interior of the car. And yeah, that's what I have going on for the interior. And you guys can see I don't have the headliner anymore. I took it off, so it's gonna get the work done. And the end result, when I make the next videos, it's gonna be like you're gonna not even realize this is the same car and the same interior at that point. So I have it plugged to my outlet. As you guys could see, we have it on the outlet, you know, just a test to see if it works, and it works. And basically, this is the remote. It's kind of too dim because I have obviously this plastic on it, which kind of dims it, but it's really bright, to be honest with you. I didn't expect it. It's pretty, you know, too damn bright. But yeah, I have it in the plastic too with the remote too, but I'll show you guys a quick little overview of what it has. You can basically have it in red, the solid colors, as you guys could see. And then you can have it white, obviously. And then from there, you could do a jump 3. Basically, wait, hold on. I'll just take the remote out of the thing. Basically, jump 3 basically does that. You know, RGB, color changing. Then we got fade. Then we got that feature, fade number 7, flash. Then we got the Meteor effects don't work because, you know, obviously that's a separate thing which we're gonna have to work on. But it has a music on and off, so if you're putting music on, it has a music feature too. So if I'm tapping, like I think, yeah, hold on. So if it's on music mode, if I do something like this, let's say I'm slamming the ground. Pretend this is my hand is like bass. I do that, it's beating to the music, as you guys could see, and it does that. See? There you go. See right there, that's a pretty cool feature right there. So if you have music, bass dropping, it's gonna be just doing that, really cool. And the Meteor, the only thing, the Meteor effect, I'm gonna have to go work on that thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it to all of the settings he has. I just wanted to show you guys and to give a little conclusion to the video of how bright it is. It's pretty bright. And let me show you guys when the lights are off. So yeah, as you guys can see, it is pretty damn bright, and we have the same color fading, and it does all the features, you know, pretty much everything. And let's do the music to the beat thing. So if I'm talking, it changes colors. So like whatever I'm saying right now is beating to the music, which is, as you guys can see right there, that's really damn cool. And if I'm slamming it like on the ground like that, it changes colors too. It does pretty much everything like you asked for. See, as you guys can see like that. And it turns off, turns on. With the music, it basically, whatever I'm saying, it just records. And yeah, that's a pretty cool feature I want to show you. The best thing of all is the Meteor effects, but unfortunately that has to be, you know, hardwired to the car and all that stuff. I'm gonna have to work on that. But yeah, that's pretty much it to the Starlight type of thing, the color RGB thing. And I'll show you guys pretty much more features it has. Let's say maybe it does that. Pretty much it does everything. Red, the RGB thing. But yeah, the Meteor effects, unfortunately I couldn't show you guys in the video, but yeah, I'll show you guys when it's installed on the car. Obviously I'm gonna do another part 2 of the video when everything's installed. So that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked this video. I finally found the Starlight kit that I've been hunting down for like a year almost, and I finally found it. It's available on Amazon. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, link in the bio for you guys to go grab yourself one. The best brand is Chinley. Get one fact straight, that's probably the best brand to get. It's never going to give you any problems. I did my research beforehand when I chose this product, and it really doesn't give any problems. It's an outstanding thing, and I hope at the worst case scenario, maybe like 10-15 years, maybe the motor might go out, but that's not it's not at the end of the world. You can still get the motor again, and that's not really the end of the world scenario. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked this video of the Chinley LED optic lights, and this is probably the best thing to get for your car, a game changer mod. So ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up the video for today. I hope you guys liked this video. That's basically the unboxing and review of the Starlight kit from Chinle, 16 watts, and like I said, it's a very reliable product. The motor lasts for so many years that it doesn't go out. I read good reviews about that. I did my research before buying the Starlight kit, and this is probably like the best one you could get on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description in the bio. And without being said, make sure you guys go get yourself Chinle LED optic light. You could either get it in 32 watts, 16 watts, 12 watts, 10 watts, 6 watts, your choice. But for a car that's a 2-door, I recommend 16 watts. If you got like a 4-door car, then go grab yourself a 32 watts, or maybe if you have got like an SUV van, something huge, then opt out for the 32 watts. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys like this video, and subscribe to my channel because there's gonna be more videos coming up of the complete of the entire build. I have almost the car is almost finished. It's pretty much done at this point. I got everything done. We got, like I showed you guys in the interior clip, we got everything done. The door panels, the steering wheel, the Starlights, pretty much everything, but we're getting everything done. Maybe one more thing at the part, maybe sometime in the future, is going to be the single turbo from Auto Mafia that I'm going to be doing as well too. But yeah, as far as the build is going, it's pretty much done at this point. The next thing after that is just going to be just getting a new car at this point. But yeah, that's it for this video for today. Subscribe to my channel for the next video. That's going to be the final review of the Starlight kit, of being in the car. And you don't want to miss that video out. It's definitely going to be a game changer mod of the inside of the car, especially the Meteor effects, which is the favorite thing that I saw on TikToks. It was really cool to see that. Like, it really blew my mind when I saw the shooting Meteor effects. That I saw a TikTok video that it had of someone had in a car. It had the Meteor shooting stars. From there, I just then decided that I had to go get myself one at any cost. So, and which I did, and I just can't wait to install this. And pretty much that's it for this video for today. Subscribe to my channel because more things are going to be happening, and take care, and most importantly, have a rest of your fantastic day. Peace out.